आज मंडे है ना, कल ट्यूसडे है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे. We have got it with so much effort done by our um, martyrs who has given their life for achieving this kind of what free from any kind of problem, and then breathing the air which is in a free India, huh? And how much free India we have to analyze. So I said air pollution. If I said that there is some you know that there is a 2.5, if you have heard about it, and one we have seen 2.5 particulate matter size, and we have heard about 10 particulate matter size in the atmosphere. Yes, and you know that इसका मतलब यही होता है कि at least you need to know that the size is 2.5 micrometer, and it can easily come in our body through the breathing and all. And one size is, I said, that 10 particular matter size. If in the atmosphere 2.5 particular matter size, it is very much dangerous for all kind of what I said that animal system, as well as I said that human system. And if it I said that 10 particular 10 pm, if it is written, तो ये थोड़ा सा साइज क्या है, it is an 10 pm miss, size is little bigger, and it can be, lots of it can be stoppable in the atmosphere, but even then it is more harmful. On the basis of size it is considered as, and if I am saying that pollutants are, if I am talking about, it is one is a primary pollutant, another I said that there is a secondary pollutant. We are doing air pollution, this topic. There is a primary pollutant, and I said that secondary pollutant. Yes, tell me, anybody who can tell me something about it. ये एक लाइन का ही आंसर है. What is primary pollutant and what is secondary pollutant? Yes. And yes, I said that like. Can you give an example? Huh? Photochemical smog. Clear? I said that like I said, sulfuric acid in the atmosphere and all reacting with the sulfur oxides and giving us what is a secondary pollutant. When the primary pollutant gives, so through the, I said that man-made and naturally, some I said that pollutant primarily come into the atmosphere, primarily come into the atmosphere, man-made. I said that whether it is in a fertilizer, if I am spreading pesticide, if I am spreading factories, through the factories, you know that the pollutants are coming into the atmosphere, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, DDT, through the fertilizer it is coming into the atmosphere. Anything which is coming into the atmosphere primarily through the man-made, or maybe I said that naturally, so I said that dust particles are into the atmosphere, it is coming through the natural. If I said that if some kind of through the ocean surface it is coming, some plants are living some kind of chemical polluted chemicals into the atmosphere. So few are natural, but more of what is I said that man-made. Understood it? So I said क्योंकि हम लोग भी नेचुरली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दे ही रहे हैं ना, समथिंग विच आर कमिंग इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर नेचुरली, बट इट इज द वे कंपेयर टू दिस इट इज लेस कंसिडर्ड एज इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम. So man-made as well as naturally, but when they react, when the primary pollutant with the another primary pollutant reacts, gives I said that secondary pollutant. Like I said that in the atmosphere, in the climate class I have said there is a hydrocarbons are there. They react with the nitrogen oxides. They react with the nitrogen oxides, and it gives us what is I said that ozone, and that is I said that in the presence of sunlight. It is considered as I said that what secondary pollutant. So when the primary pollutant get react with each other and gives us what is known as another pollutant, it is known as I said that secondary pollutant. And similarly sulfur dioxide is dangerous for us, hydrogen sulfide is dangerous for us, and when it get reacted with the water it gives and I said that H2SO4, this is another pollutant, it is coming into the atmosphere. So secondary pollutant are coming into existence through the what is in a reaction with each other several other pollutants. Primary pollutant, understood it? So we have I said that and measure that we have to talk about, there is a physical pollutant and there is some chemical pollutant. There is also another division is I said that physical pollutant, another is I said that chemical pollutant. And physical pollutant is I said that from the industries, from the I said that some construction site, some aerosols which are coming, I said that dust particles are coming into the atmosphere, I said that 2.5 pm and then I said that 10 pm, understood? These are I said that physical. But if I said that carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur oxides, sulfur dioxides, nitrogen oxides, ozone and different kind of this, it is considered as a chemical pollutant. One it is and I said that on the basis of size we have physical pollutant, on the basis of what is and I said that chemical, there we have what? Chemical pollutant, understood? So I said that this I said physical pollutant, chemical pollutant, and I said primary pollutant and secondary pollutant when it is in the atmosphere beyond the ecological capacity. When they are in the atmosphere beyond the ecological capacity, then it degrades the quality of air. It degrades the quality of air, and that is known as I said that. Yes, tell me. Yes, known as what? Air pollution. So again I said that the air pollutant, like I said that, listen me carefully first. Air pollutant, like I said that physical, chemical or primary and secondary pollutant in the atmosphere beyond the what? Carrying capacity, beyond the carrying capacity creates air pollution. Beyond the carrying capacity creates air pollution, understood? So write down pollutant, pollutant like physical, chemical, primary, secondary, released in the atmosphere by man-made or natural factor, by man-made or natural factor beyond the carrying capacity, beyond the carrying capacity of atmosphere known as air pollution, or physical, chemical, primary or secondary pollutant available in atmosphere which has a potential to cause loss of life system considered as air pollution. Or degradation of the quality of atmosphere by changing percentage of chemical structure suitable for atmosphere. So we can be able to see, like I said, that if I am talking about carbon monoxide, and there can be two types of air pollution can be air also. I said that one, it is an outdoor air pollution, and one it can be indoor air pollution. Which are, I said that outdoor, write down, there can be two types of air pollution, outdoor and indoor air pollution. Outdoor and indoor air pollution. Clear? Let us see. I said measure hazardous chemical air pollutants. First I said that carbon monoxide. Yes. Measure chemical air pollutants. Yes, tell me, how do the carbon monoxide is dangerous for us? Combined with hemoglobin, carboxyhemoglobin. Yeah. Carbon monoxide attached with the iron. What it is known as? Asphyxiation. What it is known as? I said that. First, listen me. First, it is a carbon monoxide is a highly failure for oxygen to convert into carbon dioxide. First, it is, I said, to convert into. So when we inhale, then whatever the oxygen available in our body, they go and react to convert into carbon dioxide and reduces the oxygen available in our body, and it creates a carboxyhemoglobin, and that is led to the coagulation kind of structure and reduces oxygen in from the body, and that is led to what is, I said, that fatal for the human being. So it is in a love for carbon monoxide is more reactive towards what is, I said, that oxygen, and where the oxygen is, oxygen कहाँ हमारे body में रहता है? Just tell me, where it is in our body? Hemoglobin, and there it will react with this, and thereafter it this reaction happen, and thereafter reduces the what is in a carrying capacity as well as reduces an oxygen amount from the body, and that process is known as what? Asphyxiation, and that can be fatal for human being. और ये हमारे घर में होता है या नहीं होता है? कैसे? जस्ट टेल मी. कहाँ पे होता है? जब हम लोग गैस चलाते रहते हैं और लाल रंग निकलते रहता है ना, when it is in a red color, it means it is not complete combustion. It is not. So it is an indoor air pollution. We are doing what? So always आपको we have to what is in a cleaning all this so that the blue color should be there. Blue flame. If the red flame is there, it means in a incomplete or incomplete. I said then combustion of what? Fossil fuels. And then write down carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide available in the atmosphere due to incomplete combustion. Carbon monoxide available in the atmosphere due to incomplete combustion has a great